Hi and welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate the Edge Application Proxy template. This template is designed to create an even more basic caching layer than Azion Starter Kit and dynamic and static file optimization, with the advantage of allowing bypass on specific routes that should not be cached. Let's configure the template using httpbingo.org as an example. Name the application and configure the origin address and custom host header. Next, we set the JPEG images route as the bypass route where caching will not be applied. After filling in the necessary information, click on Deploy and the process is quick, creating a new domain that we will use to test the application. While the domain is being propagated, we examine the rules created by the template. There is a single origin pointing to the configured address. And the big difference with this template is in the caching settings. It has a single caching rule with a storage time of 300 seconds. In the rules engine, we see two rules. The default rule, which defines the default origin and cache, and the bypass rule, which forces bypass behavior on specified routes, such as those involving JPEG images. Now, with the domain propagated, we can start the demonstration in the terminal. First, we test a route that is cached in Azion, initially checking for high latency when accessing the origin directly. Next, we make requests to the Edge application on Azion. The first requests result in a miss, as there is no cache yet. But after a few attempts, we get a hit and see the latency reduced, demonstrating the efficiency of the cache. Now we'll test the JPEG image route where we have configured bypass. Any request made to this route will not be cached and will be redirected directly to the source, according to the bypass rule configured. The aim of this Edge Application Proxy template is to create a simple caching rule for the entire application, while at the same time allowing the definition of a specific route that forces the bypass and direct route to the origin, guaranteeing flexibility in the management of cached and uncached content.